Hi, Dennis Ray here. If you notice a lot of advertisements coming up each and every web page you go to when you're on the internet, then it's time to get a good ad blocker for your browser. Here's an excellent choice, the popular AdBlocker Free AdBlocker Ultimate. Here's how to attach AdBlocker Ultimate to your browser and how to use it. This is the AdBlocker Ultimate website, and I'll put a link for this in the video description below. You can download a program for your PC, but that's a paid version, which we're not really interested in. But if we scroll down, this is what we're really interested in, the browser extension, and there's some information there for that. And reason I brought up this web page is because I wanted to show you this. There are extensions for Android phones and also for iPhones. But if we scroll back up and hit Learn More for the browser extension, that will take you to here. I'll put a link for this in the description also. There's information about AdBlocker Ultimate that you can take a look at. Scrolling down, there's more information. And once you've looked at that information, you can go back up here. To install the extension to your browser, you can click on this link and it will install to the browser that you're using. At a store today, there was a guy wearing a t-shirt that said, "Let's get weird." I pointed it out to my wife and she said, "It's too late for me." All I could say is, "Oh yeah? Well, yeah. Please like and subscribe, because if you don't, that would be weird. Thanks. Once the extension is installed onto your browser, you'll see an icon up in the bar here, and this shows that the extension is there for AdBlocker Ultimate. You click on that, and it shows number 3 there. That means that that's how many ads were blocked on this web page, and this brings up the window for AdBlocker Ultimate, and we'll take a closer look at this. In its interface, it shows, of course, the number of ads that are blocked in this website and the total number of ads it's blocked since it started, and that it's enabled. If you want to turn off ad blocking for this website, you can do that with this. If you want to block a certain element in the website, you can use that. Then there is settings, and we'll take a look at those. So in settings, there's a general tab, and there's automatically activate language specific filters, enable anti-circumvention, show number and icon, enable context menu. Then filters, got ad blocking, privacy, security, language specific, and custom filters. There's the custom rules tab, where you can add your own custom rules. The whitelist tab, where you can add websites that you don't want the ads to be blocked. For instance, I have dictionary.com in it. And last but not least, the About tab, which has version information and these links. And now you're protected from those pesky ads. That was AdBlocker Ultimate. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye.